TBJ Beshies! Welcome again to another video, and this time mag-video tutorial naman tayo. I mean makeup tutorial. And in this video, I will share with you how to play with colored eyeliners. Now, if you want to know how you can level up your face mask makeup look, then please keep on watching. Beshies, hindi na tayo makakalabas without this for now. Kasi rule yan. Actually, dito sa amin, pag nahuli ka ng, tawag, hindi siya police eh. Parang, it's like, well, it's police, but probably for this area lang. Pag wala kang face mask, you will be fined 1,000 pesos. So, yan. Kailangan talaga naka-face mask kapag lalabas. Now, for us na who love expressing ourselves through makeup, ano yung alternative natin? Of course, the eyes. Kasi since nakalabas naman yung eyes, so yung expression na usually ginagawa natin sa lips, so that's why we change our lip color, mapupunta na ngayon sa eyes. So yan, magpapalit-palit tayo ng color sa eyes, mas marami magfo-focus sa eye makeup looks. So kaya this video, I will teach you how you can express yourself with colored eyeliners. So yung itatry natin ngayon is from Ready Set Glow. So this is a new, ang ganda nung box nyo sa camera. So, this is a new local makeup brand. So, yes, support local. And they released eyeliners. So, actually, nung una ko itong na-meet around March, I was thinking na, okay, colored eyeliners medyo limited because eyeliner lang. But then again, medyo sumakto yung release nila because of the pandemic. And I tried them already. And grabe yung pigmentation, guys. If you have tried yung Marc Jacobs eyeliners and some other high-end eyeliners, in fairness, at par siya, at sobrang pigmented. So, parang mahal na talaga yung ginagamit kong product. But I think this is around 500 pesos lang. In any case, yung prices, I will put them sa description box. Anyway, so yun. So, they have the gel liners. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura niya. And it's very nice, very cute looking. And I like na yung color, there's a color code here. So, when you pull out one, and then you see immediately na, okay, may marker siya na yellow, you know that this is yellow. However, yung problem ko lang is, wala siyang name. So, medyo mahirap ako i-review, especially when I took everything out. And, sabi ko, okay, alam ba dito si ganito, si ganyan. So, medyo nalito ko. But if hindi ka naman nagre-review, di ka naman beauty blogger, okay na to. Kasi kahit walang name, may marker naman siya. And aside from the gel liners, they also have liquid liners. Now, the good thing about their liquid liners is may colored versions din. So, ayan. Ito yung eyeliner. So, yung eyeliner, ayan, may name naman siya sa ibabaw. They don't have colored markers, but there are names on top. So, kita mo, okay. So, for example, ito, Savage is color black. And yung applicator niya is a brush applicator. Hindi siya felt tip. I actually like this better because the problem with felt tip is eventually it loses its sturdiness. So, pag in-apply mo, parang ang sloppy na nung applicator. That's why I prefer brushes. Ayan, besh, pak! Bongga, diba? So, grabe yung pigmentation. And I just love that there are colored liquid eyeliners around. Kasi ako personally, I like liquid eyeliners. Pakita ko na rin yung other products nila. So, nag-release din sila ng lipstick. Of course, it's a staple for any makeup brand. Lipstick. So, ito yung lipstick nila. Ayan, this is a sample. Yung ilalim niya reminds me a lot of Kat Von D's lipstick. So, they have two variants for the lipstick. Meron silang cream and merong silky matte. Ayan, glitter shadow. So, sorry, eye shimmer. It's waterproof daw and smudge proof. So, basically, it is a glitter eyeshadow. And ito siya. So, sabi nila, this is multi-purpose naman. So, you can apply it on your eyes and you can use it also as an overall glitter for your skin. Now, I've had this for around 6 months now. And I don't remember opening this often because why would I wear naman makeup since quarantine nga, diba, for the last 5 months? And I noticed na, ayan, tinan nyo, medyo parang nag-dry up na inside the tube yung gel liner, which I think is a problem with most gel formulas because since it's water-based, it tends to evaporate. So, yun lang, parang bigla siyang umonte. So, yun lang yung parang nakita kong issue with this. Ayan, medyo patuyo na siya. Anyway, ayan, eyeliner. Mag-eyeliner look na tayo, Beshies. Okay, so I have here, so this is my bare, my bare face. And focus lang tayo sa eyes. Of course, we have the winged liner. So, it's simply the black eyeliner. So, mag-black eyeliner lang kayo, yun lang. And I think this is the time to play more on the look, like gawin yung mas matulis siya, the winged liner. So more reasons for you to wear that. I'll share with you how I do my winged liner. Actually, maraming takot sa winged liner because takot sila na hindi magpantay. But there's actually a technique to that. So others, what they would do is they will get a credit card. Wala tayong credit card dito. Marta, bakit hindi ka nag-prepare? Ayan, may mga collection ng cards si husband. Mabuti naman. So, ayan. So, what they would do is they would put it here and then line it para mas pantay. And same with the other side. Para mas pantay yung nila. Yung line. So, that is one technique. Pero personally, I don't really do that because I just think that this technique is very dangerous na parang mamali ka lang. This is still an edge, beshi. So, pwedeng it can, you can hurt your eyes or mag-slide ka lang, matusok yung mata mo. So, I don't really recommend that technique. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Maybe a lot are doing it and they're successful at it. So, if it works for you, go. But personally, ayokong naggaganito. I just don't like putting anything sharp or potentially dangerous near my eyes. So what I do, Beshies, is I locate the edge of my eyelid curve. So ito yung eyelid nyo. So pag inopen yung eyes nyo, nagka-curve siya, diba? So this is the tip of your eyelid curve. Ayan. So what I will do there is I will just point my brush and then I will line it upwards. So again, pag magla-line kayo, Beshies, para siguradong pantay, iwasan nyo yung nakaganito. So as much as possible, pantayin nyo yung head nyo. So be conscious about that. So ilolocate ko lang siya, same with the other side, and then I draw a line. I'll show you. What I noticed kasi, Beshies, with our eyes is kapag, since naka-curve naman siya, parang when you draw a line, parang it automatically tells you to draw a line na pataas, not pa straight. And also with the angle of your hands. Ang galing ng ang galing ng body, no? It really knows na ma-addict tayo sa makeup eventually. Charot. So, invento ko lang yun. Madali lang mag-curve. That's basically what I wanna say. So, that's why I don't really recommend yung mga ganun-ganun na lang. Well, unless gusto mo talagang i-manipulate. But for me, if you just want a simple wing, ayan, iganon mo lang siya. Sundan mo lang yung curve ng eyes mo. I'll do it on the other side. And for girls with chinita eyes, and yung talagang monolids, yun, kailangan talaga when they make lines, or when they create lines, it has to be higher and bigger. So, weird siya pag nakasara, but when it's open, okay naman siya. And next is, after nyo gawin yung wing, dudugtong nyo lang siya. So, you determine the tip of your wing, and then you draw all the way downwards. Ito, medyo kailangan titig na titig kayo, Beshies. Kasi, when you draw all the way downwards, make sure na you're controlling your hand. As you drag the liner, magka-curve talaga yung skin. So, kailangan firm talaga. As much as possible, stretch your eyelids. Tapos, drag all the way down, all the way here. Sa tip nung eyelid curve nyo. So, I'll show you. There's also one tip for you to be safe. If you are finally going to create the winged line, the entire winged line, start from the tip and then draw all the way to the half portion muna, wherever the angle ends. So usually it ends center of your lid curve. Tapos stop muna kayo para you can also assess, okay, what happened here, how do I correct this, ayon. And then, from there, I will connect it all the way na to the tip para mas madali na siyang ayusin. Oh, ayan, Beshies. So, na-connect ko na siya until the end. My entire lid is covered na by the liner. And then, yung blank space, of course, you just have to fill it with eyeliner. O, ayan, Beshies. Tapos ng ating winged liner. O, diba? Bongga. So, that's how I do my winged eyeliner. Okay, so that is just a bonus for you. So, punta na tayo dun sa 3 ways on how you can play up your eyes using colored eyeliner and techniques on how to play with colored eyeliners. So, the first tip is the accent. So, the first tip is the eyeliner accent. So, this is the most common and the safest way to use colored eyeliner. And a lot of Filipinas na I see who are playing with eyeliner do this also. So, what they do basically is they apply a winged liner, a black line, and then they just put a line on top of it para siya na yung accent. Now, the good thing about applying black eyeliner first is it emphasizes the color of the colored eyeliner. The problem kasi with some skin tones is most colors don't show up. If you swatch it on your hand, it looks good, but if you apply it na on the lids, parang nawawala siya. So for this tutorial, this part of the tutorial, gamitin na natin to si yellow since sobrang light niya. So basically, Beshies, just apply the colored liner on top. Yun lang, the end. It's the fastest way to use colored eyeliner and to play up your eye makeup look. So the second way to play up your eyes using colored eyeliner is by just decorating the entire winged line. So how can you amp up this look more? You have to determine the parts of your eyes where you can apply or accentuate with eyeliner. So I've demonstrated na one. So that is applying it on your upper lash line. So usually mga ina-applyan lang ng eyeliner are of course yung upper lid and then the lower lash line as well as yung tawag dito yung line above the lash line. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag. So yon. And also yung tip of the eyeliner. So yan yung mga nilalagyan ng accent. So, pag na-determine nyo na yon, yung second thing you have to do is, of course, to color match. You have to know which colors will look good with each other. It's tempting to use different colors well, kung trip nyo yon. But if you want a more cohesive look, ayan, dyan na papasok ang color theory. So, since yung dominant color ngayon is yellow, so this is a light shade, I chose 2 shades to accentuate. So, we have white and we have teal. So, this is Winter Snow and this is Jet Setter. Ito yung dalawang favorites ko actually. Well, because white eyeliner is always a classic and this one, ang ganda niya, it really pops on my morena skin tone. Kaya gustong-gusto ko siya. It's a fun look, but it's still cohesive. Hindi siya yung parang sobrang daming nangyayari. I make sure that there is a dominant hue. So, kung light, let's say I'm using 3, 2 don light, 1 don is dark, and and vice versa. So, yun. So, those are just combinations. But, of course, if you want to explore more, ayan, tingin kayo ng inspirations online. And also this video, ayan, para may idea kayo. So, the third tip, it's not really colored eyeliner. It is using their eye shimmer. Kasi sobrang uso ng mga shimmer ngayon, diba? So, gagamitin natin tong kanilang mga eye shimmer. So, I have here yung gold. So, hanap tayo ng mas bagay na shade. Ayan. So, I'm using 2 shades of their eye shimmer. So, I have here si Angel, the top one. And yung bottom one is si Superstar. So, tingnan natin kung gaano ka-pigmented itong mga eye shimmer nila. Ayan. Pigmented siya, Beshies. And it's very creamy. Smells really nice. And the good thing pa about here is you can use it to as a highlighter. So, dab ka lang ng onte, tapos spread mo. So, ayan, gagamitin natin yung eye shimmer niya. And the shade that I will use is si Superstar. So, ayan, kasi feeling ko ito yung bagay sa look ko since light siya overall. So, I'm just gonna use it as an accent because, as you can see, the focal point of my eyes are the eyeliners. So, pang-accent lang natin siya. Ayan. Meron lang siyang ano, parang alam mo yun, may twinkle lang in your eye. So, ayan, try natin with the mask. Some tips lang, Beshies, when using colored eyeliners. Number 1 is, do not use red eyeliner on your lower lash line because it will make your eyes appear tired and red. You don't want that. So, baka isipin ng mga ano mo, baka pag may nakakita sa'yo, sabihin, la, besh, tutulog ka pa ba? So, yon, don't use it lang on your lower lash line. Instead, you can use it on top of a black shade. I won't even advise that you use it on your upper lash line kasi nga, nagmumukhang parang ang red nung eyes and parang maga. So, if you want to use red, go ahead. But, I suggest do it like this. Yung papatong mo lang siya on top of black. Or on top of something else para lang ma-neutralize and ma-balance yung color. And second tip is, if you have very oily eyelids, make sure that you go for an eyeliner that is very waterproof. The good thing about Badass Eyeliner, itong collection ni Ready Set Glow, is it's waterproof and it's smudge-proof. And if you have very oily eyelids, I suggest na go for a gel liner because mas hapit yung mga ganito in my experience because it's really pigment and it's matte. Whereas liquid is liquid and since very wet yung consistency niya, baka pag nag-oil up na yung lids mo, it may run off. And another tip for very oily eyelids is after applying eyeliner, you set it lightly with a translucent powder just to seal it. Ginagawa ko yon para sealed na talaga siya. And if you're just using a basic black eyeliner, yung ginagawa kong technique, natutunan ko to sa theater para talagang plakadong-plakado na siya is, aside from using translucent powder on top of the black eyeliner, I also use a cake liner. So, this is a powder kind of eyeliner that you can wet para mas kapit din siya. So, liquid eyeliner plus cake eyeliner pa on top, then set pa with translucent powder. Besh! Hanggang next year na yung eyeliner mo. Charot! But then again, this technique will work if yung base eyeliner is waterproof to begin with. So, ayun. So, that is it for this video. I hope you are now more confident in expressing yourself through colored eyeliners. And I hope it also encourages you to play up with your eyes more. Kasi, besh, wala tayong magagawa. Nakamask na talaga tayo for now. And possibly for a long time. So, ayan. So, that doesn't mean you cannot explore now with makeup. So, you still have your eyes. And we have colored eyeliners. Ready Set Glow, they have their own website, but they're also available in Shopee. So, please check them out. And that's it, Beshies, for this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It's the Beauty Junkee on Facebook and Instagram. And on Twitter. And I'm also on TikTok. And my blog is thebeautyjunkee.blogspot.com. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I also have a show on Spotify called Marihan. And it's a show that talks about the most trivial to the most controversial things in the life of women. And it's a talk inspired by your afternoon coffee hangouts with your katitas and kamare. So, yan. Very chill, kwentuhan type of podcast ito. So, please subscribe to us on Spotify. Marehan! So, again, Beshies, I'll see you in the next video. And if you have questions for me or video requests, please comment lang kayo sa comment section. So, bye! Stay safe, Beshies!